Some of the Guyanese who were affected by the floodwaters have visited the Guyana consulate in Trinidad seeking advice and relief for the damages that were caused to them. Opposition member Gail Teixeira today posed the question to the first Vice President and Foreign Affairs Minister, Carl Greenidge, as to whether these persons would have received any support or advice.
Since the recent floods in the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, the Office of the Leader Opposition has received many calls from Guyanese in Trinidad, saying that they have been unable to obtain any advice or assistance from the Guyana consulate there. Can the Honourable Vice President and Minister inform this House as to what, if any, measures have been put in place by his ministry to 1. assist those affected Guyanese in the flood areas of Trinidad, and 2. render any assistance to sister country Trinidad and Tobago recovering from the recent floods.
Greenidge told the Assembly that one such request would have reached the High Commission with 3 additional calls for financial assistance.
As far as up to today, the High Commission has received 1 request for assistance in repatriating someone to Guyana, and 3 other requests for financial assistance, and those persons are due to go into the High Commission so as to indicate more clearly what their needs are.
Less than 2 weeks ago, Trinidad and Tobago was hit by a massive flood which affected hundreds of persons and causing major devastation. As the floodwaters recede, close to 100 persons are still in shelters, awaiting to return to their homes. Rupa Sinarayan, The Evening News.